What's up guys, it's the Brick Public back here again with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade your LEGO battle droids. This was quite a difficult video to make because I don't really know how I would upgrade them, but I did. I got these requested, so if you want to see some figures that you have like an idea for, then yeah, comment down below and I'll try to get to them. Try to do as many figures as I can from the comments. But yeah, let's get to it. So these are the pieces you're going to need for the first figure. So we have this little antenna piece here. You want to separate the antenna part from like the little one part. You want to separate these pieces right here. And we don't need this piece anymore, so you can throw it away. Get this little grill piece here and add this right in here like this. I forget where I saw this. It might have been Instagram or Reddit, but you just add it to the back of the droid and you got a pretty accurate looking battle droid backpack. Or if it was like in the right color it'd be accurate, but it still looks pretty nice. So then you're going to want to take this little Technic piece here, add a cylinder cone thing. Yeah. Take this clip piece here with like a little hole in it, add it right there like that. Take two of these pieces right here. These are like little studs with holes in them. Snap them together, add them right there like that. Take this piece here and this piece here, add them together so it looks like that, and then just add it to the back like this. So yeah, there you go. It's like it's an upgraded rocket launcher. If you've seen some of my videos, you would have seen a similar design to this, but I upgraded it for the droid, so it has this little part sticking out here. So if he was to use it, you just add it up, and it looks like a little scanner thing, like a little aiming thing that he can use to aim at some clones. So yeah, there you go. There's the first figure, and now let's get with the next one. So yeah, these are the pieces you're gonna need for the last figure that we're doing. So take apart the droid, and you don't need this piece anymore. You can get rid of it because I'm replacing it with the gray one. So just make the figure as normal. There you go. Now you're gonna want to take this piece here and this piece here, add them together, and then add it to the back of the droid. Little backpack thing. Now, take this brick here with like all the holes everywhere, and take this little thing here, and add one here, and at the top. You want to add them right there and there. Take a Technic piece, add it on right like that. Take these little like quarter circle pieces, then add them, one there, and one there. Now, take this little stud here, add it on, and then add this piece. And yeah, here you go. It's like a little modified droid minigun. So just give it to your droid here. And there you go. And to make this thing look extra cool, take a small little chain piece, add the chain to the bottom, so like move the arms up, add chain to the bottom right here, and then add the chain to the little stud in the back. And yeah, that makes him look like powers coming out of the backpack to shoot through the minigun. So yeah, there's the last figure. So yeah, there are the final figures. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and comment down below suggestions on what you want me to do next. And we're almost at 500 subscribers, and I think that's absolutely nuts. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a 500 subscriber special. So yeah, have a nice day, guys.